fam, Linda here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was ventilating this closure and I thought about sharing a bit on how to ventilate a closure for you on my channel, because I know lots of you are into selling hair extensions, or you just like to know anything that has to do with hair. So this is how our closures are made. The closures are not made by one fancy machine. Most of the closures we wear are handmade, and how it is handmade is it is handmade by ventilation. A needle like this is being used to pick the lace on the closure, just one piece of lace, and the needle then picks the hair, pulls the hair through the net. Then you do a single knot to go through, you do another knot to go through the hair again, and you pull through. That's how a double knot is done, which is a very secured knotting method for the closure area, for the closures. Pick the hair, pick some strands, through here, pick it, loop through here, and pull it. So let's say it's an old wig that you have an issue with there being some bald area in the closure area. What you need to do is just cut out some of the hair from the back of the wig or from the middle part of the wig where you feel like it won't be obvious that something was taken out from. Cut out some hair from there. That's the hair I'm going to use to ventilate the bald area on the closure. The entire front of this closure was bald, so I've done one side of it, another side of it. It's just the center that is left. So I'm just sectioning it, taking a small section out of that ball hair which I just cut out, and I'm going to fold in about 2-3 inch of that hair. When I fold it in, I'm going to hold the long side and the shorter side together like this. You can see, and then I'm holding on to the ventilating needle. I would hold the hair on one side of my hand while the needle is on the other side. I pick one part of the lace closure on a line that I'm ventilating on, loop through the hair and take the hair through the loop. I pick the hair again and loop it through the space. It's sort of like imagine like you're tying a rope, but you're tying the rope twice, but this time around you're using a needle and you're holding the hair, which is like the rope, and you're tying the hair on each other with the aid of that needle. Honestly, it took me months for me to learn how to do the double knotting method, because no matter the amount of videos I had watched, I still struggled to get it right. But I finally got it right, and I said that I was going to share with you guys because I was so happy when I finally got it. And I hope that I'm able to really explain this step by just showing you how I'm doing it in this video, and you can really learn from it if you have been struggling to get to the double knotting method. I struggled for a long time. So right here, I'm going to put this needle through the space in the net while I use the gutter to try and pick. If it's 2 or 3 strands of hair, I pick it and I turn the hook around and loop through it. There's a space. Oh man. So now that I've looped through it, if I was to pull it completely out, this is a single knot, but because I want to do a double knot, I'm going to loop through the hair again twice before I then pull through and free it up. So this right here, what I did right now is a double knot. If I did just one, it would have been a single knot, but me doing it twice, looping through twice, makes it a double knot. So this is how to do a double knot ventilation method. So I'm going to feed up this entire area and show you guys at the end of the video. I hope you're able to get value from me. Or maybe I should do another one so you guys get to see how I do it. So pick the area you want to, then pick the hair, loop through, take the first knot, go through it, take the second knot, go through it, and next you can pull through, and that area is secured. Yeah, it's that easy. It's that easy. You know, when I finally got how to do the double knotting method, I was so happy. I was thanking God. I had so much gratitude in my heart. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? Yeah, I hope you learned something from this video. So sit back, enjoy, grab your popcorn, grab whatever drink you have or water. If you have a ventilating needle, you have your lace, you have extra hair or attachment, whatever hair you have, just practice with it. Guys, finally finished. Ventilation takes a lot of time. That's the reason why I don't render this service. I don't offer ventilation service to anybody, especially except just clients that I've known for years and I've worked with for years, and they got the hair from me, or it's just a small area. To ventilate a full disclosure, I would not agree to do it because, man, this thing takes hours. It takes hours. It's really not easy to ventilate a closure. So because this hair is coily, I'm just putting some conditioner and water with a little bit of castor oil to just add moisture to the hair while I comb through it. But right now, I'm done with this ventilation. This client's hair is over 5 to 6 years old. Yeah, so this hair needs a lot of moisture. So I'm gonna just spray the entire hair with some moisture, with a moisture mix, just to get the hair some moisture back, so it's not drying out or breaking off. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. Bye guys.